Have you ever wondered why animals can eat each other alive, but humans get sick eating raw meat? It's a thought that might have crossed your mind, especially if you're intrigued by the survival instincts of the animal kingdom. The answer, believe it or not, is deeply rooted in our biology and evolution. It's a fascinating tale that takes us back to the origins of life on Earth. So stick around as we journey through time and explore the intricacies of biology and evolution to answer this question. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of biology and evolution to answer this question. First, let's tackle the biological reasons behind this phenomenon. You see, humans, unlike many animals, lack certain enzymes and stomach acids that aid in breaking down raw meat and killing harmful bacteria. This is where the story begins. Let's talk about enzymes first. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reactions in our bodies. Some animals have enzymes specifically designed to break down raw meat. However, we humans lack these particular enzymes, making it more challenging for us to digest raw meat. Now, let's move on to stomach acids. They play a crucial role in the digestion process. Carnivorous animals, those who feast on raw meat, typically have a much higher concentration of stomach acid than humans. This stronger acid can break down raw meat and kill any harmful bacteria that might be present, protecting the animal from foodborne illnesses. But what about us? Well, human stomach acid isn't as strong. It's designed to digest cooked and processed food, not raw meat. This makes us more susceptible to bacteria and parasites that might hitch a ride on uncooked meat. Additionally, the structure of our digestive system plays a role too. Carnivorous animals have short and straight digestive tracts, allowing raw meat to pass through quickly, reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. On the other hand, our human digestive tracts are long and complex, giving bacteria more time and space to multiply if we consume raw meat. So you see, it's not just about preference or societal norms, it's about biology. Our bodies, from the enzymes we produce, the strength of our stomach acids, to the structure of our digestive system, are fundamentally different from carnivorous animals. So, biologically speaking, our bodies simply aren't equipped to handle raw meat like some animals can. Now, let's turn to the evolutionary reasons behind this. The story takes us back, way back, to the time of our ancestors. Picture this, a group of early humans huddled around a fire, the orange glow dancing on their faces. They're not just warming themselves against the chill of the night, they're cooking their food. This was a revolutionary moment in our evolutionary history. You see, cooking food does more than just make it taste better. It breaks down complex proteins, starches, and fats in the food, making them easier to digest. The fire-licked meat that our ancestors ate required less energy to break down compared to raw food. This meant that they could get more nutritional bang for their buck, so to speak. Over generations, this had a profound impact. It led to changes in our digestive system. Our guts became shorter because they didn't have to work as hard to extract nutrients from food. Our jaws and teeth became smaller as they didn't need to chew tough raw food. But these changes came with a trade-off. By relying on cooked food, we lost the ability to process raw meat like our animal counterparts. Our stomachs produce less acid than those of carnivores, making us more susceptible to foodborne pathogens that cooking would typically kill. We also don't have the same kind of gut flora that many animals do. These microorganisms can help break down raw meat, but in humans they can cause illness. So, from an evolutionary perspective, our bodies have adapted to a diet that includes cooked food. Our ancestors' decision to cook their food has shaped us in ways that are still evident today. It's a testament to the power of evolution and the role that food has played in our history. From an evolutionary perspective, our bodies have adapted to a diet that includes cooked food. To sum up, both biology and evolution explain why humans can't eat raw meat like animals. We've delved into the biological aspects, discussing the different digestive systems and bacteria in humans versus animals. Then we dove into the evolutionary reasons, discussing how our ancestors' shift to cooked food has influenced our current dietary restrictions. So the next time you're tempted to try a bite of your pet's food, remember, it's not just gross, it's also not suited for your human body.